Just to try to explain the process we got to go through here, you see right there is the temporary guy wire hanging on the tower. It was rigged up over here. We have all the slack going down the road. We had to pull it all up over the building. There it is, here it comes. We put it in a block on that light pole right there. And by the way, here's the power pole. High power lines. There's our temporary guy wire we have secured. You see the power line is right in our guy path. So that's another big obstruction and a hazard. Anyway, back to our slack. All that slack we've had to pull by hand. We can't hook onto the forklift and pull it because we have no way to get the equipment back here. So we put it through this block. We get everybody stretched out through there. We get a man down there. And that's what we got so far. That's about half of it. We have to pull it all, again, by hand, down there into a pile. Then we'll take the dead end of it and go through that way. Coming over here, and right here is our guy alley. So the dead end has to come right through here underneath where I'm standing, come over here and hit the tower base. And it will be at that time that we're able to hook it onto the forklift and pull it down the road. That's just a brief explanation of some of the things we go through trying to get our job done. This video was brought to you by Eric Sharp's crew.